God has given one of the wonderful superpower to all of us. By using this superpower, you can easily solve many problems of a life, such as spoiled relationship with husband and wife, family or friends. You can magnetically attract your perfect soulmate. You can attract more customers and increase your sales. You can manipulate others' mind and can create a decision-making thought in the mind of your customers. You can express love feelings through your mind to your loved one. Get your stuck money back and can become more spiritual and creative. This wonderful superpower is telepathy. Telepathy is known as mind-to-mind communication. Means a communication without using your five senses and without using any device. Just communicate through mind only. Telepathy is a vibrational communication. It means a communication through the frequency. As we know, the whole universe interconnected with vibrations, and we know that all creatures are the part of this beautiful universe, and we all are interconnected through vibrations only. Telepathic communication is a frequency communication that allows you communicate with any creature of this world. This course is based on practical exercises and meditations, and everyone in this world can learn it. This is so easy to learn and use telepathy in your daily life. I am Dr. Kapil Dev Sharma. I was professor in engineering college for 14 years, then turned as a mind and psychic trainer. In my last 8 years of journey, I met many saints of Himalaya, learned many spiritual things and practiced with them for almost a year. Then I started research on telepathy to make it easy for the people to understand so that everyone can learn it and can realize their inner potential, can feel their own existence and understand vibrational communication. In 2017, I started teaching telepathy in India. Initially, people were skeptic. People were not believing on such things. But when they start getting results within my programs and in their life, they started to believe on it. I have trained more than 25,000 people in India and abroad. All people were able to do telepathy within my workshop events. After experiencing that I cannot go everywhere to train people, so I decided to make a course of telepathy. I have put my all experience in this course. This is a complete master course of telepathy. During the practice of this course, you will able to do telepathy and will able to use it in your life. You will deeply understand your inner capabilities after this course. So join this course to upgrade you with the best version of yourself. Welcome in this course.